Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this simple Coca-Cola bottle in SolidWorks and we will learn some basic features like extruded boss base, loop, how to use plane, shell command and extruded cut. But at the end we will use Decal tool to create this beautiful logo by creating image file. I hope you like it. So let's see how to make this cap with the help of uh, this Coca-Cola logo. Let's start to create Coca-Cola cap. Now here you will see this outer diameter 30 millimeter and you will see this radius R3, 4.71 millimeter is the distance and we need 20 number of things. So first we will create one 0.1 mm something plate, then later we will use these things and create this a 4 millimeter plane, and we will make one more circle that is 26.5 millimeter. Let's show you how. First we will make one reference thing. So top plane, sketch, circle, and I'll draw here 30 millimeter. That's fine. Now click 3-point arc, connect from here to here. Okay. Now make some relation. Hold shift key, select both the points horizontal. That's fine. And this distance 4.71, the radius 3 millimeter. That's the perfect thing. Now go to circular pattern, sketch pattern. Now here point, choose this center point. Now here pattern to entities, I'll choose this one. Now here comes down, here you will find 20 number of patterns. You will see here, rest keep as it is, 360 degree, the main angle, equal spacing, say yes. You see, we don't need to trim this one. This is not fully defined sketch. Simply go to fully defined sketch, calculate. Okay, now it's fully defined, no need to define anything else. Now even no need to trim this one. Simply go to feature, extruded boss base. Now here in selected contour, choose this one. See, make little 0.1 millimeter. Later we need to delete this one. Why we did this one? Just to avoid to make sure cut or trim these lines. So this is the better way to do it. Later we will trim this 0.01 mm. Okay, that's it. Now select face, plane. Now make one plane at 4 mm above this face. See here, click this sketch plane, sketch circle, and here we need to create 26.5 millimeter. Okay. Now exit. Let me hide this plane. Now I'll select this face, sketch, click convert entities. Now see the border edges are converted, exit. Why we need this? We need to create a solid body in between this. Go to feature and choose lofted boss base. Now the first sketch, this one is selected. Now the second stage, this circle. Now look how this solid body going to create. Say yes. Now you will see there is one more circle that is 25 millimeter and it is 3 millimeter away from here. So we need to create one more plane. Then there is outer circle 2.5 millimeter and the depth we will use shell command to make a hollow shape and the thickness we will keep 0.5. Select face, plane. Now this time make 3 millimeter. See, yes, select face, plane, sketch circle, and this is 25 millimeter. Now exit. Now you will see, simply hide. Now here go to lofted boss base. Now here I'll choose this face and here I'll select this circle. Now see how is going to create. Say yes. That's it. Fillet, keep constant size fillet and the diameter or sorry radius 2.5. I'll choose edge or face. Now that's fine. Select this sketch. Now I want to trim. So let's bigger circle like 35. Extruded cut and we will trim 0.01 mm. Say yes. Now that's it. Shell 0.5 millimeter. I'll choose this face. If we click show preview, we can easily see the preview. Say yes. Oh, now look. So our Coca-Cola cap is ready. Now I'll apply the dark color, what I like. Now let's apply decal. So just go to here. You'll find here view decal. See in this option, right click, add decal. Now here click browse, desktop, and this is our decal logo. See, this is I downloaded it from YouTube, Google. Open, select this face. Now see, go to mapping and just adjust the diameter, the things. Okay, that's perfect. 180 degree. Even though these things we can increase also. Let's say 25. 25 seems little bigger. Okay, that's the perfect thing. 24 millimeter. Now there is a dark color. See, this is both colors are not matching. So there is one option called go to image, selective color mask. If we choose selective color mask, now we want to remove this dark paint, this dark red color. So click here, pick color, go upside and pick near to this dark color. Now see, say yes. Now the logo is almost ready, but this is not looking good. It seems bad. So what we will do, just open your paint, open your logo and save this one. Save as monochrome bitmap. Save. Okay. Now again go to SolidWorks. Now right click. This is the decal. Right click, edit decal. Now come down. Now here select image mask file. Browse. Go to your location and we saved. See logo we saved in black color or in bitmap. Say open. See, look, the things are changed. Say yes. Now look, logo become very fine and sharp. So this is how we did make a simple Coca-Cola cap in SolidWorks, and we learned how to use decal tool to create a beautiful logo. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.